Hello, it's Marek and welcome to another video, and this time we're talking about another new feature in Premiere Pro 2021, and we're going to have a look at the new features in captions. Okay, so here I have, let me just close that. I have one of the sequences I worked on recently, so I thought I could try something a bit more challenging, because the thing is, what I want to share with you is the new auto captions which are automatically generated. And I've got something a bit more challenging where I've got me talking, so it's not going to be in a proper American or British English. Okay, we'll see what Premiere can do about it. So this is the brand new July 2021 update to Adobe Premiere Pro with the auto captions, which have been part of the beta program up till now, but now they're available to everyone inside Premiere 2021. So make sure you have Premiere up to date. So if I go in here, make sure you don't have an update for Premiere Pro. So Premiere Pro should be up to date because this is only available in the latest update as I'm recording it. Okay. Got this sequence here where I do a bit of talking, and this time for a change I'm actually going to talk about Photoshop. Okay, so we're going to switch to our captions workspace here. This will be quick and easy. In general, for customizing captions, creating captions, have a look on my other video which I recorded recently, which will tell you more about customizing captions and working with the captions. What I want to focus on here this time is the auto captions, the transcribe sequence feature here. That's what I want to focus on right. So I'm going to click on this button in here, transcribe sequence. The other two options were available in earlier versions of Premiere Pro. Okay, so transcribe a sequence, and this is the sequence. It's 5. Actually, let me just make it shorter so it'll be quicker. So if I cancel it, and I'm just going to make it shorter, so say from here, allow that, we don't need this, here we go. So it's just 40 something seconds. Okay, so transcribe sequence, 45 seconds. Audio, we're going to use a mix for that. Okay, although actually this is just a dialogue, but we'll leave it in a mix on the default. Language, well, it is kind of in English. Okay, my English, so let's leave it. You could transcribe the in-point to out-point only. That's what I was thinking first, but let's just leave it like that. And we can also opt into recognizing when different speakers are talking. So if you had different speakers talking in your videos, you could actually tick that and it will create separate tracks for separate people, for different speakers. We don't need that in here. It's okay. So I'm going to click transcribe. It's going to connect and transcribe the entire sequence, the entire 45 seconds in this case. It's going to create new captions for us automatically. So if you were to tick this box for different speakers, you would have different tracks, captions tracks for different people, for different speakers. And you could rename them as well, because you can rename the captions tracks. Okay, so we got some in here. And let's see how it did. Just so you know, as you're going to play your timeline, the words which are in the video will be highlighted here. Okay, so let's have a look at that. Welcome, I'm Marek and welcome to this another episode of the series of the videos here. And this time, for a change, I'm actually going to talk about Photoshop instead of After Effects or Premiere Pro. So I'm in Photoshop right now, and I'm working on these thumbnails. So in general, very good. Okay, I will just change. So here it's not so I'm in. So I'm in Photoshop right now, and this was close. So this was Marek. So I'm making some live changes here on the video and my logic. Okay, I've got this unknown person, so you can click on it, you can edit speakers and you can edit it. So this could be, say, me, for example, Marek. Okay, and this is the same speaker. So you can click on these three dots or on this name and edit speakers at any time. So you can add multiple speakers if you wanted to. You can change the names of the speakers. Okay. And now we're going to click Create Captions. This is going to create from sequence transcript because we've just done the transcript. We haven't got the captions here yet as such. And we're going to use subtitle default. Again, if you want to know more about this, have a look at my other video about creating captions, about the new workflow in captions in Premiere 2021. Okay, subtitle, no style, I don't have any style in here, and there are some extra options here as well. You can set up the maximum length in characters. So how many characters a maximum do you want to have in a caption? Okay, you can also adjust the minimum duration in seconds and gap between captions as well, and want double lines whenever possible if there's a longer text. So yes, want the double. So click Create, and from here on it'll be more familiar for anyone or any of you who have used captions before in Premiere. So you'll be able to customize them through the Essential Graphics panel. You'll be able to create and apply styles to your captions through Essential Graphics panel. Okay, we have this new subtitle track here, and let's check the time in. Welcome, I'm Marek, and welcome to this another episode of the series of videos here. And this time, for a change, I'm actually going to talk about Photoshop. So timing is actually really good, but you could just trim them, so you can make them shorter or longer. You can come to any of these captions like this one, for example, and I could maybe split it. So I have initially, and so this could be welcome, I'm Marek Mularczyk. So here I could just delete that, and the next one would be with us without the first line. You know this already, okay? And timing here, so maybe something like that. Welcome, I'm Marek Mularczyk, and welcome to this another episode. Here you go. So you can just continue from here on as you normally do. Also under three dots here, we have options to export to SRT file, export to text file as well. Okay, and the rest is the same. So what I wanted to focus on here is the new auto captions in Adobe Premiere Pro, and the way you can choose the language. You can have multiple speakers in the video as well, and the rest is what we had before. So this is just to focus on the main. You still got your transcript here and your captions. At any time you could just create captions again from your transcript back in here. You can edit it, as we saw earlier. I could edit just right now. So tricks inside Adobe After Effects. I want to talk about this new feature that came out in this something. In this May update. So here, in this May update to Photoshop, save as copy. Here we go. Okay. It's not updating here because I'm still working on transcript, so we need to create captions again, just so you know. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of the new auto captions, new transcribed feature inside Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 July update, July 2021. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'm Marek Mularczyk, and hopefully see you soon on another video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit the like button if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.